We're back for another realistic Amazon try-on haul. So I'm going to put some things on from Amazon for the first time and show you what my real reaction is, how the sizing fits, what they look like, because we're not trying to be catfished, which I have been, and it's so much better, right? Just to see, like, honestly how it fits. Y'all, here we go. This is the first piece. You saw this in my unboxing. I'm obsessed. I've already showed this to you before in other colors. I got it in a cream color to pull it through fall because look how cute it is with like these leopard socks. Trying to show you. Hold on, I have another pair. Gosh, I'm an idiot. The leopard, y'all, leopards in these are so freaking cute and really inexpensive. Pack of 3. So I thought this would be cute with some socks and some clogs. Okay, here we are with the clogs. Cute would it be with a black jacket to pull on the socks. This is the one in my unboxing that had like the two-tone material. Y'all, this is 10 out of 10 quality. Such good quality, oversized fit. I like the balloon sleeve too. I just pulled this out of the closet. See how cute and like comfortable this is, but it's layered. Fall transition outfit. Got my socks and clogs, so cute. And I love the sleeve, like the balloon sleeve. Obsessed. Okay. Go order this in every color because it's going to be your go-to fall outfit.